Developing profitable mobile apps, 11 emerging trends and hacks. The mobile app market is exploding, offering unparalleled opportunities to develop and monetize apps. Here are 11 emerging trends and hacks to help you succeed. AI integration. Incorporate AI to enhance user experience and functionality. Augmented reality, AR. Use AR to create immersive app experiences. Blockchain technology. Implement blockchain for secure transactions and data protection. Subscription models. Offer apps on a subscription basis for recurring revenue. Microtransactions. Utilize in-app purchases to boost revenue. Cross-platform development. Develop apps compatible with multiple platforms. Progressive web apps. Create PWAs for a seamless user experience. Search optimization. Optimize apps for voice search to increase accessibility. Personalization. Use data analytics to personalize user experience. Eco-friendly apps. Develop apps that promote sustainability and eco-friendly practices. Gamification. Incorporate game elements to increase user engagement. By adopting these strategies, you can maximize your income potential in the mobile app market.